to use Grammarly's AI rewrite feature on Android for emails and posts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and search Grammarly and install the app. After it's installed, open the app and log into your account. After you've done this, open Gmail. In Gmail, while you're trying to write something, I'm typing, "Hi everyone." And as you can see, Grammarly gives you suggestions above your keyboard. You can click on the suggestion and it will rewrite for you. Here you also find other options if you have one, and AI will rewrite for you. Another thing, you can do same thing with your post as well. And this is how to use Grammarly's AI rewrite feature on Android for emails and posts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.